Welcome back again, guys. So I've actually had this bit of equipment that I need to properly put my I-Spec shifter onto the handlebar, because like a noob I just went out and bought it and never really had a actual look, see if it was the right model for my handlebar that I needed. So anyway, if you look on the other video, I've actually made a temporary adjustment. So I've just put 3 cable ties just to make it stable. It actually worked really well. So I bought this base cover unit. I think it was from, I think probably from eBay or something. No, was it eBay? Probably from eBay. Maybe it might have come all the way from China somewhere. So hopefully this is the right one. I think it should be, because I've done some little look around and made sure it was the right one. Really just a quick video on me fitting this baby on, and hopefully everything goes well. It should do, I think. Just hope everything does go okay, hopefully. Anyway, back onto the video. Let's go. Peace. Well then, guys, so let me just show you how my bike is at the moment. So you can see there's the I-Spec shifter, and underneath the actual base cover unit. So I'd use the 3 cable ties, and it seems to work. It's actually solid. I don't know whether I should really change it or not, to be honest. Anyway, let's get on to fitting it. Oh. Get rid of them. There it is. Managed to get it off. So it's just a spare now. So then I might even need it to use it at some point in the future. But I'm going to hold on to it. Next up. Okay, here it is then. Moment of truth. Yeah, it's good like that. Like that, isn't it? I think that's it. Let me put this back on. So this actually came with a screw. There. Oh, drop the flipping Allen key. I think that's on good now. The thing to do is to add. Just loosen that a little bit, because I need to put the little screw there. Try that on first. That's it then. Turn from the eye shifter onto one of these base cover units, so that attaches to the handlebar. I'm not going to bore you with me putting it on, but for all you mountain biker fanatics, you all know how to put one of these on. So that's it then. Actually fits. Couldn't believe it. So yeah, hope you find it useful, and don't make the same mistake I did. Read at what you're trying to get. Make sure it actually fits. Yeah. So yeah, anyway, that was my first time actually purchasing a shifter. So anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys soon on another one. In a bizzle. Peace.